Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and I'm very happy to be back on my YouTube channel because seriously it's been a little bit crazy lately and I haven't been able to film anything, but I'm very excited because today I have a lot of things to show you guys and I have a very special unboxing, which is my Louis Vuitton recent purchase. And actually I bought this a few months ago, but I wasn't able to film and I haven't used it, but I'm very excited because I'm gonna use it very soon. And yeah guys, of course you may already know what this is because of the size of this box. Look how huge it is. So let me know in the comment section below if you know what I got. So if you've been following me for a while, you may already know what this is because it's been on my wish list like since forever. So I'm super excited that I finally add this piece to my collection. So without further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. So here's the dust bag that it came with, and to reveal, oh my god, yes, this is the beautiful Louis Vuitton Horizon in size 50. And oh my god, you guys, I just can't believe I finally have this piece in my collection. Look how beautiful it is. I know it is a little bit extra and I was very hesitant about getting it for a long time because I was like, okay, I like to take care of my things. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use it and not being like super stressed about it getting damaged or whatever. But that is why I actually decided to buy in the size 50, which is the smallest size, because I always want to make sure if I travel with this piece that it's coming with me, you know. I don't have to check in this piece. I am going to be traveling very soon, so I'm very excited about it. I'm going to take this piece with me. So some of the details of this piece, look at the logos here on the wheels, and this is super smooth, which is something I love because it feels like butter and I love that. It has also this like metallic part, which is actually where the handle comes out. It can be adjusted, and it also has this top handle here with the luggage tag that actually can be personalized. I didn't do it because I forgot to do it, but I will do it in the future. It also has this lock here, so you can close it and you just push here like this and it will open. And inside we have two compartments here and also this one with the zipper pocket. Like this. Here I have the booklets. And here there's also a zipper compartment. I would also love to talk about the clothes that I'm wearing right now. This is a brand that I discovered recently and I've been loving it, you guys. So as you may already know, everyone's talking about quiet luxury and old money style and all of those things. So I think this brand suits perfectly to that aesthetic, because what more luxurious than a natural fabric, and especially silk. It's very luxurious, it feels great to the touch, and it has a lot of properties. So MOMMESILK, it's a brand that all of their products are made of 6A grade mulberry silk, but it has a beautiful shine to it. The touch is amazing. And I'm also wearing these shorts that are from them as well, MOMMESILK. Here you can see the whole look with the black shorts and the white silk shirt. Also added a white bag and a Hermes Kelly belt. Look how beautiful it looks. It's very simple, very refined, and I don't know, I just feel very luxurious wearing all silk. So yeah, I also got some other stuff that I want to show you guys because silk has a lot of properties that are great for the skin and also for the hair. They have really great quality. So first of all, I want to show you the pajama that I got. So MOMMESILK have different styles. They have men pajamas, women pajamas, couple pajamas. So go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna link everything below so that you can check it out. This is the piped pajama, which is super beautiful. I think it's very elegant in black with white piping, and also the bottom part, it has this beautiful detail here, which I think it's just super luxurious and elegant. I love it, and definitely gonna be taking this one to my trip. I also got a pillowcase because, you know, if you discover the properties of silk, you will never go back. I'm gonna be taking this one to my trip since I can wash it and it will dry really quickly. Yeah, I mean, this has lots of properties for your skin. It is hypoallergenic. It is 100% biodegradable. It prevents wrinkles. It also prevents tangles, and it prevents frizz. So I feel so good using it because I know I'm doing something good for my skin and my hair. And I also got this piece. This is like a beauty set that I'm gonna be linking below, but I love it because you can use it for traveling as well, you know, on plane, on train, or you know, on your hotels, or even at home. It feels so soft. It's very delicate. It is adjustable, so it's perfect. And you know that if you black out the lights, you will have better sleep. I think this is a must-have. Another piece that I've been loving and I've been using like non-stop, and of course these are coming with me on my trip, are these scrunchies. This is perfect, you know, when I want to pull up my hair, especially when I'm doing my skincare. I use them, and I know that my hair is not going to be damaged by, you know, any elastic, because this actually helps prevent all the breaking and frizz and everything that we talked about before. Seriously, you feel so good about yourself when you're taking care of your skin, your hair, and when you feel so luxurious. It's just a sense, it makes you feel, I don't know, so good. We have a discount code, so I'm gonna link it below, but it is BETUNETTE15. So thank you, MOMMESILK, for this coupon code, because I am pretty sure that you are going to love all of their products. Now join me to pack my suitcase. I'm gonna be taking my pajama, of course this is a basic, a pair of shorts, also a very light jumper. I'm gonna be taking this shawl in case it gets a little bit chilly. Also, I'm gonna be taking my silk pillowcase, which is very fresh and easy to wash. Also a t-shirt for the next day, and my eye mask and my scrunchies, which I've been loving and using lately. Also, I'm gonna be packing a pair of shoes besides the ones that I'm wearing for the trip. So always take your shoes in their dust bags. Also in this packing cube, I'm taking my underwear. Here I'm taking all of my products like shampoo and everything that I need. In the small beauty case, I'm taking my makeup, and here I'm taking also a bag because of course that is a must. So now let's close it. I love that it has this separate compartment that can be completely closed, so I can secure my things and keep them in place. And here in this zipper compartment, I'm going to be taking my documents. So now let's close it and we are ready to go. You have no idea how smooth this suitcase is, which is something that I love because it is so easy to roll. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Please, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check out MOMMESILK. I'm gonna link everything below, as I said. And yeah, guys, I really hope that you enjoy it, and see you till my next one. Bye, guys.